Hello students, I am Ajay Karmarkar. Before starting video, I would like to tell you something. Please sit with copy pen. If you find somewhere important, pause the video, note it and proceed on. If you find somewhere difficulty, then please write in comment box. I will definitely solve your problem. And along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you once again.
Now here is the question. 2-point-like objects of masses 20 gram and 30 gram are fixed at the two ends of a rigid massless rod of length 10 centimeter. This system is suspended vertically from a rigid ceiling using a thin wire attached to its center of mass. As shown in the figure, the resulting torsional pendulum undergoes small oscillations. The torsional constant of the wire is 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 8 Newton meter per radian. The angular frequency of the oscillations in n into 10 raised to power minus 3 radian per second. The value of n is. This question is asked JEE Advanced 2023. And what says the question here? We have given system that is 2-point masses having 30 gram and 20 gram, which is 4 centimeter away from this rod from the center. Okay, and this is 6 centimeter, and this is moving, means it's moving at the rotational motion. Okay, and here torsional constant is given of the wire, that is 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 8 Newton meter per radian. Okay, this is the wire and this is moving. So here, as you know, that what is the torsional constant when wire is moving, that some twist is created, and so there's particular constant, and here we have used according to the material of the wire. So here we have given that K 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 8 Newton meter per radian, and we have to calculate angular frequency omega is equal to n into 10 raised to power minus 3, means this is coefficient and this is the order, so therefore only we have to calculate the value of n. Okay, so let us first, we have to know that which formula we have using for this system. Then time period, firstly we have to calculate the time period. Okay, because as we know that omega equal to 2 pi by t, so let us first, we have to calculate time period. 2 pi I moment of inertia upon K torsional constant. So here, this is our key point of this question. Here I is the moment of inertia of this system and K is the torsional constant for this wire. Is it okay? Now firstly we have calculated the moment of inertia, as we know that m1 r1 square m2 r2 square for this point masses. Is it okay? So here we have given mass is 30 gram, so convert into kilogram multiply 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay, 4 centimeter. So here 4 centimeter, 4 by 100 and it's a square. Here m2, what is m2? That is 20 gram, 20 into 10 raised to power minus 3. And what is the distance from this center? That is here we have taken minus 4 by 100, but after square it become positive. Okay, and here 6 centimeter, 6 by 100 and it's a square. Okay, so here I 30, 10 raised to power minus 3, 4 4s are 16 and 1 2 3 4. Is it okay? Plus 20 into 10 raised to power minus 3, 36 and 1 2 3 4. So here I equal to 16 3s are 48, 10 raised to power here minus 3, 1 2 3 4, and this is plus 1, this 0, that is considered 10. Okay, so this is plus 1, here 36 2s are 72, 10 raised to power minus 3, 1 2 3 4, and this is plus 1. Okay, so here I is equal to 48 plus 72 and 10 raised to power 4 plus 3, that is minus 7 plus 1, that is minus 6. Okay, kilogram meter square. So this is moment of inertia. So now time period t equal to 2 pi root I. Here 48 plus 72. How much? 8 and 2, that is 10, carry over 1, 4 and 1, 5 and 7, 120 into 10 raised to power minus 6 upon what is torsional coefficient constant, that is 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 8. Okay, so here decimal is removed, this is 20 and this cancel out, that is 100, 10 raised to power minus 6 plus 8, how much? That is 100. Again 10 raised to power 2, 8 minus 6, that is 10 raised to power 2, that is 100. Then t equal to 2 pi into 100. So 200 pi, that is time period second. Okay. Now omega is equal to 2 pi by t, then that is 200 pi. Pi cancel, that is 2 ones are 2, that is 100, means 10 raised to power minus 2. Okay, this is our answer, but here we have to ask omega equal to n into 10 raised to power minus 3. So let us first, we have to change its order. So multiply by 10 divided by 10. So 10 raised to power minus 3, and now this is 10. Okay, so compare with this term, n into 10 raised to power minus 3, that is n equal to 10. It is the correct answer. I hope so you understood this question. Thank you.
Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Definitely, when you will become success, whole contribution goes to your hard work. But if my videos, my lectures, my questions will help in your success, I will consider myself lucky. Please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye.